Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the repeat zoom video effect in CapCut. See, so you can see the repeat zoom in my club, and this is pro effect, and you have to change purpose to be able to use this effect. So, and after you add the Photoshop videos you like to edit and add the repeat zoom video track and add a mic in the mic. You can see for the option. So here we go. This is the final. We'll have another video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.